Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Gunner. My dog Zuko's running around like crazy, and we're camping tonight. We're a couple hours down a Forest Service road, one that I've never been to before, and it's absolutely beautiful out here in the fall. And I don't know if my camera just caught my dog peeing on something, but we're just gonna roll with it. So yeah, we have all three campsites at this spot to ourselves. You don't even have to pay a camp here, and it's the second weekend of hunting season in a popular area, so I'm gonna take what I can get, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to make some good campfire meals. We got some Peak Refuel, some new ones that I haven't tried before, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that started, set up camp. We'll go from there. All right. I think this is where I'm gonna set up camp. It's absolutely stunning out here. I don't think I could have found a better spot, so yeah. Alright, I'm going to be sleeping on this air mattress. I originally got it to camp in the back of my Subaru, but I no longer have that car, and it fits great in a 2 or 3 person tent. It's got 2 sides to it and 2 different buttons to make it softer on either side. So, very nice, very handy. It's pretty thick, should keep us warm. I think it might get down to... I think it'll get below freezing tonight. It should. Around there. So I only have a 20-degree bag. I've never tested it that cold, but I have blankets and everything else in a dog, so we should be good. Okay, we are glamping today, folks. We got full-size pillow, 2 blankets, the sleeping bag, and where I presume my dog will sleep with his blanket down there. Living the dream. Ain't that right, Zuko? I think you said I'm right. All right, let's get a fire started. Let's get dinner started, because I'm hungry. Alright guys, I know it's cheating, but I have some extra paper and a lighter this time, so no fancy fire starters on this one. So last weekend I got married, and it was the best day of my life. And obviously I didn't record any of that or go camping because I was busy. So we actually did have it up in the mountains though, We had it in Helena, Montana, and it was an absolutely beautiful venue, and I'll have to share some pictures sometime. But think about 4 or 5 weeks before that, like right before I uploaded my last video, we flew to Reno and bought the car that you saw in the intro of this video, and maybe a little bit in my last video. And so that's the new camping car. I plan to build it, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a rooftop tent, but also sleep in it and do a little bit of overlanding type-ish content. And yeah, it's gonna be a great time. So that's the plan moving forward. Of course, still doing plenty of backpacking, because that is my 100% favorite part about making videos. I mean, I love editing, I love planning, and I love actually getting out there and experiencing new things. This is the first time that I'm going to be staying overnight camping by myself, and I'm so excited. So yeah, those are the future plans. I want to do a ton of winter camping this winter. I want to do hot tent camping, backpacking, snowshoeing, car camping, similar to what we're doing right now. All of it. So hopefully I can include this guy that's behind the camera, Zuko, in some of it. Oh, hi buddy. Stop digging, what are you doing? I think he wants his dinner. Yeah. Okay, time to get dinner started. All right, this is what we're gonna be having for dinner. American buffalo barbecue mac and cheese. And oh my goodness, I almost just touched this very hot Jetboil. I have the Jetboil flash. I just warmed up the water. I pour it in there, which you cannot see right now. You can't make this up. I forgot silverware again. I swear it's not on purpose. I swear it's not on purpose. Oh, I did not pull out this. I pull out this out of the meal. It's a big deal. Or whatever. Oh, Zuko smells it. He's running over here. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. Can't stir it yet. I have to make my own silverware, so I'm just gonna jump it up and down a bunch. Okay, so Jetboil. This is everything it comes with. We do a little review. If you watched our last video, you would have saw us review the Jetboil Zip. Well, we returned it because we did not realize it did not come with an igniter. As you can see, this one has an igniter. It's a big deal to us, only because if you're gonna pay over $100 for a stove, it should come with an igniter. We always have secondary fire starters with us, so it shouldn't matter, but it's just nice. This thing is already cooled down. So this is this little leg thing that goes onto the bottom of this propane tank, helps it stand, and it fits perfectly right here, like that. This, you can see the knob and the igniter goes right into here. It's a little hot. I'm gonna give it a second to cool down. It fits inside of this. Comes with this cup that goes on the bottom, and then you have a lid right here that goes on the top. I grabbed this when it was boiling hot. Did not hurt at all. It's barely warm. Has a nice handle, but also this is heat resistant. And it has a sick design on it. Look at that. This thing is crazy. I think it was 145 bucks at REI. If you have Al's Sporting Goods near you, you could probably get it for like 10 or 15% off, because I don't know, but they always have a sale going on. And it boiled 1 cup of water, and it could not have taken more than 2 minutes. I think it might have been under a minute, that fast. So well worth it to me. We've dealt with a $20 stove that took 15 minutes to boil a cup of water for a year and a half, 2 years, so it was time. All right, while I'm waiting for my food to cook, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my new brother-in-law, Jamin. he got us this, Rachel and I, a wedding gift that we had on our wedding registry. It's Vortex binoculars. We've needed good binoculars for a very long time. Come with this little cap. I'm excited to use them. Cool carrying case. It has straps for your chest and like a little, little phone pocket type deal. And I have these on upside down. That's cool. Great, so professional. Give me 1 sec. Super fancy, super cool. I'm excited to use them. It's already getting a little dark, so we'll see how far I can see, but tomorrow morning they're gonna be great. I'm actually near a reservoir, like a few miles away from a reservoir, so huge canyon views. I'm gonna definitely be using it tomorrow, so thank you. All right, I could not find a suitable spoon. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna have to drink it even though it's pretty chunky. It smells delicious, like actually so good. You know what? I wonder if I could use this as a spoon. We're gonna try. It's just the top of the wrapper. Oh yeah, this will work. Okay. I needed to mix it more. So hold on. Hold on. That beats beef stroganoff. American buffalo mac and cheese beats beef stroganoff. I never thought it would happen. This is delicious. I'm trying to get it on camera. It's a little crunchy. Might be because I haven't ate in 7-8 hours, but that's good. Give me that. Alright, you win, you win. Sit. Yes. Look at me. Yes. Down. Yes. Free. Okay, good morning. It got really cold last night. I'm not sure if you could see, but all of the plants are frosted, even the trees. You could probably see my breath. Yeah, I got a little bit below freezing. My sleeping bag is not good enough for that. I now know. Zuko seemed like he slept great though. He's part husky, I'm sure he was good. So I'm gonna make some breakfast and then we're gonna go warm up in the car and leave after we pack up because I don't have any more firewood. There's not much I can do in freezing weather. So for breakfast, I have the peach cobbler. I feel like I might have tried this a long time ago. I'm not too sure. Just says to add 2/3 of a cup of boiling water, stir well, and you have 5 minutes to wait. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, so this is ready. I also forgot to mention, I have this hydro flask right here that my wife made me. She got an espresso machine as part of her wedding registry, and she has taken on a passion of making different kinds of coffee. So I hope I get this one right, but I think it is a cinnamon chai latte with 4 shots of espresso. So it's cold though, so I'm not going to drink it all right now. I need to drink it in the car when I'm warm, but I'll give it a little taste. Let me mix it up. She made it for me last night. It's starting to get light out though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That espresso is very much needed. Oh, Well, I'm gonna not step out of the frame because then you're gonna see some dog poop action over there. All right. Make sure you guys can see this. Looks not very appetizing, to be honest with you. Smells okay. We'll see. It's hot, that's all that matters. Ooh, that's good. I haven't really had many of the desserts, so I can't really compare, but that's good. Or breakfasts, I guess. I'm more of a savory breakfast guy, but ooh, that's gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'm gonna pack up camp and be on my way.